lessons, eh?
Make it rain right there.
Woo! Good morning, YouTube. We're set up for another goose hunt here. We got 12 shooters and 4 A-frames today. We got about 23 dozen decoys out. Just ran 4-pack. 3 more came in on another flock. Kids are picking up birds. We got a dog working with us today. It's going to be a banger. Stay tuned. Enjoy. Right. Okay, somebody switch on the end with Wes.
There's lots of birds.
Swing and a miss again. Hey, nothing fell, buddy. You can't. There's nothing to go get, man. Hey guys, what do you think?
Awesome.
Awesome? Yeah. Hey. Dead bird here. I'll put my fucking ears on.
Heel. Nope. Step. Ah!
Yes, sir. Go, bud. Go quick. Hurry, Owen.
Come on, buddy. Hurry up.
What the hell was that? Oh, the loader. Were they? I didn't even see them.
Kill that goose. Kill it.
You guys better knock the rust off. Hey? Yeah, they're blind. They're brushed right up. Just the guy on the end can't shoot.
Well, let's look at it and fix it up then.
Two circling, 2 coming around. Kill those 2. Randy?
Yeah.
Switch with Wes, please.
Got one.
You should have had both of them.
There was 3 of them. Okay. Had another half a dozen birds.
Yeah.
Moving people around.
We're moving. We're changing the lineup here right now. Yeah. Wes is going to the penalty box for a minute.
Wes is going to come sit beside the kids here.
I finally get my job back and I break my leg. Somebody's flaring them right there.
Kill him, guys! 4.
That one's going down hard there. 2 or 3 out there now. Those little birds.
Lessers, yep. We're working them out here. Lots of wind today. Too much wind, really. Decoys behind us aren't helping. Not exactly working out like we planned. Trying 3 more coming here. goddamn gun loaded.
There.
See what happens when they come on the left side?
Left side.
Yeah.
If you're an attendant, please stand up.
3 on the right, 3 on the right.
Coming right there. Clean up on aisle left.
There we are, boys. Good shooting.
Left side's locked in, boys.
Finger's itchy.
Here we go.
2 coming straight at us, 2 now.
Hurry, guys. Hurry, hurry. Everybody ready?
You better kill him.
He's going down. He's going down. Good job, guys. Good job, buddy. You got blood on your hands. What do you got going on here?
That means you have good luck.
You're having good luck? Yeah, good job, bud. Hold that hand up.
Belly up. Belly up. Just right on the telephone pole there.
Got another one out there. You can just see his feathers going.
Yeah.
There's one belly up in the deeks on this side. Where? Belly up on the deeks on this side.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Oh, that big foot's pushed over again. I think there's 2 or 3 of these.
Right, the 2 first ones.
I think that helped us a little bit moving those dive bombs.
Yeah, I did.
They're just too far that way, you know. No, they were hooking behind us. This is better now.
More, look at over the power line.
Yeah, more.
There's quite a few.
We're working them out now.
There's quite a few birds
Coming in one
landed
after
down
another,
the other
lots of
side.
action. So we moved all the dive bombs from the back behind us over to that side. We had a kind of a game plan in the morning, but it wasn't really working out. So we moved everything around. Seems to be better now, eh? Better, Kyle, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Time's up.
Yeah.
More ducks. Nice.
Goose!
Oh, nice.
Got some duck action? All right.
Go? Can we go, Dad? Dad!
Yeah, go ahead, guys. Go quick. Little duck rain out. All right, Owen's happy. He's got some ducks now. There you go, buddy. You got the ducks. They're more your size, eh? That was great, yeah. I like the way ducks work in. They respond to the calling nice, eh? They're sweet. I like them. All right.
Kill him too. Kill him too.
Oh! Well, Corey, we stoned him.
Better got that one, man. I could cut those ones. I was gonna say, wait a minute.
We ain't passing that up. Yeah, no. No shit hawks.
Can we go?
Too close, yeah.
Can we go?
You guys want to go get a bird? Or maybe the puppy wants to get a bird.
There's one more down.
Puppy's been getting a bird for a while.
There's another duck out there? There's another duck out front here too, bud.
I want to grab the duck.
Really? Yeah, he's walking. Where is it?
Oh, right there. Oh, yeah.
You see him?
Yeah, he's just right in between the power lines there, the poles.
Owen, get the goose right there. Dog's for. Oh, there's a group of geese right there. Owen, hurry, get it. Right in front of you. Right there.
Just leave it.
Jesus. I gotta get a dog. They're better trained than you guys. Emma's got it.
Clean up.
Kill him right there.
Yeah.
Kill him right there. Kill him. I got that backdoor action too, motherfucker. Here we are. There's another duck out there, but he's walking. Sometimes you got to kill him around and kill him out the back door. Good job, Jules.
The loner there in the front.
Right where? Let her up front. Come straight in. Coming straight in. Dead bird. Dead bird. Oh!
Ducks out front. Ducks out front. Ducks out front.
Ducks out front.
Right on the deck.
Yep.
Shoot him.
Go get them.
Get ready, get ready. Kill him if you can. Roll their ass! Woo! Get him, Jewel! Get his ass! Get his ass! Roll their ass! Good shot! Good shooting! Good shooting!
One's coming.
One is coming right at us. Two of them. They're all coming. Get ready behind us. Wait. Get ready. Coming right there.
There we go. That one's flying.
He ain't going far. He's got a leg down. Sarah behind us, close.
Two in the back.
Yeah, he's bored.
Keeps hitting me.
Right here.
How do I drop? There it is.
Clean up.
Yeah, clean up, Dad. Line him up, our grandson.
Yeah, there's a few. There's one out there.
I'd say at least 5 maybe.
At least 5 sitting on the ground, plus whatever we count in the pile. We're going to do a quick count here, see where we're at.
I know there's some trouble in the stubble, baby.
Dad. There's a big pack right there. Dad, my hand.
Yeah. Your hand? You got a bloody hand? Look at you go.
There's a giant pack over there.
I know there is. It's a beautiful morning. That wind has died down quite a bit. This is perfect now. Perfect. Here. Happy dog, happy dog. Good girl.
I'm gonna hit him this way.
Yeah, shoot him out the back, guys. Turned around.
They're gonna swing right around.
They're coming. Right over top.
Make it rain.
Kill him, guys, kill him.
What?
Did our count, we're at like 55, 56. We can shoot 84, but
We'll do that after one. This one.
some American boys with us. They can only shoot 5 apiece a day, so their limit's a little bit less than us us local guys. So keep working out here. We can take about another 25 more birds. So here comes some more now.
Look inside of your hand. Go like this.
Kill him right there. Come on! That one's going down.
Man,
That wind is fucking us, buddy. They're cutting right through the middle. And it's almost straight fucking west again now.
yeah, now it's turned.
100%.
Yeah, that's why it's
So,
Dad,
we can do tonight.
We can do 2 things. We can move the decoys, or we can turn our blinds.
Dad,
It matters, yeah.
I can actually cut a goose now. Dad, there's a goose down. It went behind the hill.
The wind's cutting over our left shoulder here now.
Yeah.
Why can we be
No
done?
wonder they're coming right here. They're seeing right down this fucking line.
Yeah. Like our blinds need to be right there now.
Almost need to be right there. Yeah.
Right fucking there.
We're behind all afternoon now.
Are we going to be moving the blind or not?
I don't know yet. We got to make a decision.
I need a decoy as far as
We're gonna have to.
Well, yeah, but that don't fix the wind though.
No, because we're like they're landing into the wind, and we're.
Shame the last 2 are so far back.
No. Better kill him.
Kill them right there.
There's 3 of them.
Kill him.
shot it down now. Definitely a dead goose.
I want to see the
He's gonna be a little crunchy, that one. Oh, your mojo's on.
Dad,
Shit.
can we go get them?
4 coming over.
4, yeah.
4 more out front. There's a bunch out front.
Good morning, boys and girls, cats and squirrels. Today's snacks are provided by Vienna Sausage. You gotta love the little weenies.
Your trailer out somewhere and then you put line in. 5 minutes? Over 5 minutes?
We're all packed up. Just went and picked up a couple cripples. We're headed back. We got about 65 birds on the ground, 4 ducks, so it's 12 shooters. We had 4 A-frames, 25 dozen decoys out. How many decoys we have, Corey?
25.
Yeah, it was a lot. Anyways, yeah, all in all, a good shoot. Kentucky boys were up for their last day, so they're headed home. It was good to hunt with them boys again. So, if you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
Like it.
Like it, thumbs up, all that good stuff. See, the kids say thumbs up. That means you gotta hit it. Hit it, hit it.